AdvanLED presents the elegant outdoor LED display billboard in collaboration with Parkland Group. Parkland Group is a company from Melaka that focuses on property development in the central and southern region of Peninsular Malaysia. AdvanLED was honored to be given this responsibility to install this outdoor LED display billboard for Parkland Group. The completion period of this billboard was completed in July 2019, which includes the process of designing and installation. This LED display billboard is located at the Parkland Sales Gallery in Melaka Tengah, which is also known as the Heart of Melaka. The LED display billboard bears a size of 8.64 meters by width and 4.8 meters by height, with the pitch pixel size of P10 and an effective pixel up to 414,720 pixels, resulting to a high definition resolution to display good quality of videos and images, especially from long distance view. This LED display billboard was mounted on a wall mount structure, iconically on the Parkland Sales Gallery building, giving it an elegant look from afar. Furthermore, the strategic placement of this billboard on Jalan Tun Perak enables it to accommodate high traffic along the route, giving it the upper hand to generate views and garner more attention to this huge LED billboard. For further inquiries, contact us at sales@ledvision.com.my or our general hotlines 063173668 and follow our journey on our social media. AdvanLED, your LED display solutions.